Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. Got a mixed bag for you this time. Been doing a couple of different things over the last week or so. The big one is that I've been working on the workbench and I'm leaning on it right now. In fact, the camera's sitting on it right now because I've lost my tripod. I'm very nearly finished this. I've got a couple of clamps to take off which are gluing up the stops for the tool well, and that's going really well. I'll have videos out for that really soon. Yesterday I was helping out with a big gate install. It's a big farm style gate that we put in, and I went and picked it up from a guy that makes them near where I live and dropped that off, and we put it up, and that's looking really cool. I went out yesterday, and you may remember last year, one of my videos, I went to the Makita Roadshow. Well, I met up with some tools and stuff, and we went to the 2019 Makita Roadshow. I've got a goodie bag, so I'll show you some of the cool goodies that we got. But what I also wanted to show was this cool thing. So a couple of weeks ago I made a bottle opener, and that was for the bet that I had with tools and stuff. And this is his end of the deal, and he made me this one.
Eventually,
I've got the gate loaded on the roof rack, and I've put in a couple of packers on each side just to distribute the load more evenly onto the rail here. And with the weight over the front also, it was kind of pulling it a bit lopsided, and wasn't getting good contact at every corner. So that's taken care of that, and got it strapped up here, and she's pretty secure, I think.
1 hour later.
I couldn't use my car because that big bloody gate's on the top. So I've walked up to Bunnings to get this stuff. Got the hardware here for the gate. Man, it's heavy as hell. And this is like I think it's like a 5-mile walk or something. I tell you, man, someone's going to have to pay for this. Welcome to another exciting Takami woodshop road trip. Today we're going to the far north of Auckland City, all the way from the far south. I think that's about a 100-mile trip. And we're dropping off this gate that's on the roof, and probably going to install it, or at least we're going to install the hardware, if not actually fit the gate onto the post. That's going to be fun because I've never installed the gate before. And then after work, or later in the afternoon, I'm going to meet up with Tools. And if you don't follow Tools over at Tools and Stuff on YouTube, he does lots of reviews on Makita tools amongst other brands. And today we're meeting up and going to the Makita Roadshow. We're going to see all the new Makita tools, and maybe get that's a good point, we're probably going to get free lunch there as well. Maybe some beersies like we did last year. If you saw my video from last year, got beersies, got free socks. I'm hoping for some free socks, and I'm not sure if we're going to get a free battery this year. It'd be nice if we did.
82 kilometers later.
just as a... Oh yeah!
Do that again so you can...
Look at that, eh?
Good.
Pretty good for a first gate.
You have me here helping.
I'm not sure what Review Tools is going to do today on the Makita Roadshow, but instead of doing a review on an individual tool, I guess he's just going to review the whole Makita. That'd be fun. So Makita Roadshow. Last year it was a massive, big kind of auditorium thing at one of the big showgrounds here in Auckland. And it was a spectacular event, and really I think went a long way to putting Makita on the map as a major player in this market here. This year a little bit different. It was kind of like a 180-degree turn on their strategy last year. This time it was just like a sausage sizzle and 2 tents and the truck. I got a picture of the truck, and they had a few tools, not their full range. They had all their main kind of tradey tools. Maybe they did have their full range. They had most of their battery range, their 18 volt and their 36 volt, and it was you know, it was cool to see all their stuff and talk to some of the guys. But it was nothing like last year, so I don't know, maybe next year they'll go somewhere in between. And but they did give us a cool goodie bag. We got this thing here. I think it's to be honest, I don't know what it is. I think it's a sun visor for a new car. Even though it's winter here. But yeah, so check this out. This is made of this kind of wood and this kind of wood. He told me what they were. They're both from Solomon Islands. I'll have to get that info again. I'll put that in the description. But this is all handmade. This is made of Corten steel. And this stuff's really interesting. This is that stuff that goes all rusty on buildings, but somehow it doesn't corrode. It gets that rusty patina on it, and it has very high resistance to actual corrosion. So it's really cool. It's all carved out and filed down really nice. We did a trial run of this yesterday. I had a couple of beersies, and works really mint. So I'm out here in the west. I'm out at Tool's place. There he is. And we just got back from the Makita Roadshow, which was a little bit different from last year. I'll talk more about that later. Got this bottle opener from them, but more importantly,
The gloves, man. You should have the gloves.
more importantly, I got the bottle opener from Tools.
Woohoo!
The one that he made me for winning the bet, and I made one for him a few weeks ago. It's hanging up on the wall just where I'm pointing right there, and that was for this thing that we did anyway. We've both got them in.
You'll see the link to that video at the end.
You'll see the link to that. Anyway, we're just going to do a bit of a review here of each other's bottle openers.
Top to top.
Top to tops. Dun, 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 dun.
3, 2, 1, go. Hey,
They both work.
cheers.
Alright, cheers man. So it's got Rob T on there, and on the other side TNS for tools and stuff. So yeah, really happy with that. Thanks Tools man, cheers. Alright, so check it out guys, the goodie bag from the 2019 Makita Roadshow. Got a never-ending Makita pencil. Check it out. It just goes Makita forever. Swag. Check out this swag, man. Swag, man. Swag, man. And every base covered. Got a bottle opener. But it's a left-handed one. Strangely enough. I guess I can cope with that. And then finally, just for all your shading requirements, as if shades not enough, then we got good shades. Alright dudes, take it easy. Peace out. Peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out.
Peace out, 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 peace out.